What's up, YouTube? OBN back with another video, and today we got Duke Dennis. What it say? First part game. So we finna see how this go, and yeah, let's get into it. You already know.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Okay, 40K likes. Let me hit one. Alright.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Duke Dennis. Hey, I'm finally finna play my very first NBA 2K25 my part game, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I've been stalling trying to get my player in order. I think it's time, bro. So I'm finna let's go to the part, see what the business is. Make sure
Let's see what you talking about.
Subscribe, and you know what I'm saying. Let's go ahead and get straight into it, cause I've been waiting to play for about a week now. So let's do it. Yeah.
Alright.
Yo, wait, my bad.
Look at Duke. Look at Duke.
No, I had the wrong controller. I picked up the wrong controller. And my bad, he has though.
Hey, your shit about to be green now, dude. I'm back.
I'm a bad. Okay. Green.
What shot, Duke? Okay. Okay.
I got white corner.
We gonna touchdown.
My board, nigga. Ass, nigga. Stop fouling,
I don't
bro.
understand how that nigga be zooming off of me, bro.
Bro, chill out, bro. We good. That's alright. You stop me, I'll stop you, nigga. Yeah. Yeah, go come. Yep. Come on with that shit.
This
Good
game, so I literally
but good D,
I
boy.
played the back door, bro, and I
Yeah.
jumped. Like,
But good D, boy. No cap. Yes.
Straight down, Jay. 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 God damn, boys.
But this nigga moving so slow.
I know how he get. Oh my God, I think I changed him.
Nigga, bitch ass nigga. Come
He get
on.
the same thing, bro. Like that fucking.
Put that one on, ain't it?
Alright, man, we good. I can back.
Hold on.
Yeah, they fouling hard. Y'all niggas is reaching. Y'all want that
Going
motherfucker
hard,
so
ain't
bad.
it?
These motherfuckers going mad hard.
Go ahead, Duke. Yeah.
Bro, can I get the ball? Can I get the ball, bro?
tough.
Like, I'm right there.
We good.
Can't go same route. That was same route.
I got you.
Good shot, Joe.
Good shot, bro.
I put on high risk too. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
I got white.
You there?
He cutting.
Watch that corner. Watch that corner.
He put his paint on.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Jay. Stay out, Duke. Stay out, Duke.
Oh my God, that was almost Stevie.
Let me see how he get.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Smacking that motherfucking
Hey,
ass.
you know a nigga in a chair when he sit up and he lean up when he get serious.
Thank you. That's
Here,
another one.
I got it. Keep going.
No, we need those.
They just hoeing me.
When it's on, it's on.
They just hoeing me.
He trying to get one.
That one a 3.
Ooh.
Come on, stand up.
Hell.
No, he good, Duke.
I knew he was gonna
my
do
God,
that. I
he
ain't
got
gonna lie,
me,
this center will do it all.
Alright,
Yeah.
bet. Say less.
That shit
All the way, yep.
You.
Good take. I got
That
white
was a
going.
good shot though, what?
Yep.
I'm here there. Alright,
Fuck, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, you go. You there.
Hell nah,
I ain't
bro.
letting you
He gonna
shoot
try
that
to
shit.
shoot over you.
Nah, he ain't
Look,
gonna.
I'm literally holding this shit.
Switch
Switch
back.
back. Watch that back door.
Where's my paint?
Hell no.
Oh my God.
Oh, I thought you made that for a second.
Alright,
I ain't even
yeah,
look at
We
you.
good. Good D though. He finna remember.
I'm out, Jay. I'm out, Jay. Thank you, Jay. Go back up, Jay.
I'm out of energy. I'm out of energy. I thought I was gonna go for that dunk. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna jump
right there.
I couldn't though.
Not everybody can make that high velocity.
Good shot, boy.
I missed. One more, Jay. God,
Good shot, Dale. Good shot, Dale. Good board, too, nigga.
Swear, come on, these niggas is trash.
Yeah. Got right. Nope. Damn, that nigga goddamn running.
Switch that, Jay. Oh my God, he just smacked me. Oh my God. He missed.
God damn, what? Yeah, good ass shot.
I don't start running, you gonna get that out of bounds animation.
I know.
That's you.
Cut dude.
Hey, he almost got that motherfucker.
Yeah, almost got that.
I thought he had it.
He did go right to him. I'm here, Jay.
He missed that motherfucker.
Bro. Thank God, bro.
Hold on, dude. Go, dude.
All the way.
Lay. Hey, my layup's high as hell. You.
All right, no.
All right, bet.
We playing his trade. I'm all right.
Yeah, no threes.
I'm fighting through, Jay.
Let me face up.
Good defense.
Let me face up.
I'ma just split, bro. I'ma just split.
Split right now, Jay. Like, go straight down the middle and I'll go right. Come on now. Oh my God,
center do it all.
He shouldn't have got that though. You gotta take it.
Oh my God.
We good.
Just wait.
We good.
Just wait. Slow down. I ain't gonna lie, you can go back door. You gotta wait.
He playing it. Game,
this game.
It was for the game.
My board,
man.
Man. Good fucking shot, nigga.
Come on, man.
Good fucking shot, nigga.
Yeah, I was scared
Duke
to
had
hit you
12
on that.
Good fucking shot.
Everybody had
This
good
white
points.
nigga with the t-shirt trash.
Yeah. Look at it.
Oh my God, what?
Oh, it's a long fucking board.
Oh, fuck.
What?
We good.
Go down, Duke, go down.
Hell no, bitch.
Hell no.
Thank you. What Duke on?
Hell no, nigga.
Oh my God, you turn.
Come on, man. Lava never got there miss again, man.
Oh my God, he broke me.
I got him.
Had to get a tone down, man.
Who we gonna push you out? Come here.
Oh, I am. Oh my God, they
We good.
Yeah, I'm back there on Jay. Under shot clock.
I got you. Shoot it.
Oh, well.
Yeah, good foul, buddy. That's what you get for goddamn reaching and trying hard, nigga.
Jersey Club, the genre is heavily influenced by sampling. So it was only right that I took this part and
That's you.
Okay.
Good shot, boy.
Yeah. And my shit should be gold. Nah, son, or am I tripping?
We good.
Check it out there, man. Good defense.
I knew it.
Oh my God, that was a great read by him.
Hey, yeah, that was.
I'm telling you, this center's a fuck. I'm telling you, he in the voice chat telling these niggas, orchestrating this shit. I'm telling you, that's you. Hell yeah.
Props, though.
Good shot.
You.
All right, man.
Come on.
But
I'm here, Jay. Leave him for the two. Push off the drag, man. Yeah. Go, Jay.
that nigga.
One more.
I see. Give me one.
Good shot,
He
boy.
just like us now.
Yeah, he
I didn't even
just.
shoot now, man. I done fixed y'all.
Nigga, what? I've been greening, nigga.
Hit that. Go over there.
I'm good. That nigga.
Oh, I should
fuck.
have reached him.
Jump on that, Jay.
Like,
You got all front jerseys.
my block is 75. I could have upgraded, but it's wrong again. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, Duke.
Hey.
Yeah.
Man.
Good shit, boy. Get past. This stop right here gonna kill him. This stop right here gonna kill him.
Stop right here gonna kill him. One stop gonna kill him for sure. So I know what you want to do. I'm here.
Watch that white nigga.
I got him. I see him.
Oh, he shot him. He shot him good.
He finna shot it. He finna rim run. Yep.
That's
Yep,
me, Jay. That's me, Jay. He make that. That's me.
Bet. We good.
Stay down, Duke. Stay down, Duke. Stay down the middle, Duke. Stay down the middle, Duke. I'm asking him.
Hey, bro, good pass, boy. No bullshit. Good call. Nigga's ass, bro.
9 to 16.
Get up, Jay. Get up. You know what you want to do.
Okay.
Can I get a steal though? You gonna take that shit. That's all you gonna
You
get.
can have that last dunk, nigga. You gonna fuck about that dunk, nigga.
Weak ass nigga. Watch the split though.
Come to me, come to me.
Fake it first. Oh my god.
I'm pop to the corner.
I'm about to bang.
Man.
Bro, I ain't dunk that.
Play.
That was tough.
18-11.
18-11. Let that nigga have that last dunk if he want it.
Bro, that should be a green over that nigga.
Yo, pick up MP.
He 50.
Me. What do you get? Is it 3?
Yeah, they lost.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
I'm back, yeah.
We good.
Oh my
Boy,
god.
phone green
That's
up,
me,
bro.
Jay. That's me, Jay.
That's green right there, though. That's game.
Oh my god, why they holding me? One more.
Again, dude.
Hold on, set the screen.
Jay. Come here, Jay. Come here, Jay.
Oh, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Get that, nigga. I'm not missing. I'm not missing no more. I'm telling this nigga. Smacking this motherfucking ass, nigga. No bullshit. Hey, whole time I'm thinking, boy, I know my jump shot, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know my shit. Now I'm smacking their ass.
You.
You. That nigga Davo said he trying to go bowling with the hoes tonight.
Move. Trying to see what that's like. Big Gay Dave down Julio. Hey, I swear, Dave jumped the funniest nigga out here in the world.
Oh yeah. No cap. Drunk Davo, dead ass the funniest nigga.
That's the hey, I don't know when we do
That
this.
legal
but
screen.
when
Let's
I
do it.
do, I'm about to have fun. I got my junk gold now though, dude. I'm trying to see where my
Yeah,
I'm like, I don't think I can miss.
Go ahead and see what that's hitting like.
That's
Oh, that's how you feeling?
on that.
I thought you hit
Yeah, look
that.
good though.
That nigga big as fuck.
I'm right here.
This
Man,
mascot.
you think he can shoot, Jay?
Nah, this
The
not.
mascot.
Hell no.
He lit too.
Yeah,
So
nah,
he probably
move.
look. He gonna shoot. He gonna shoot. What I say?
Damn.
He gonna shoot.
Okay.
Everybody on here.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, the mascot do make niggas look taller though.
Go ahead, Jay.
Wait.
Let's stop playing. Get them off. I'm out to go. I don't got no reason to miss. No. Go right, dude. Go right, dude.
Bet.
Hold on.
Switch.
I'm gonna drop.
You good.
Give me that.
Dummy. Niggas
Got ahead of the
spoiled.
brain, my guy. I see you, Jay. You want to pop
shit
out?
too.
That's how you feel?
Oh yeah.
It's a
Oh
two.
yeah.
I
Oh
tried to
yeah.
go out to the wing.
Elite move though. Elite move though.
That's a blitz.
Straight.
I got you.
He keep doing it too, Jay.
Yeah, I seen
You
that
see
too.
how I'm like, I got a whole animation. I should have caught that.
I reach for it though.
Bro ass is not.
Damn, it's not fucking with me.
Like.
Messed up my boy 2 games.
Yeah.
Come back up. Come back up.
Hell no.
Oh my god. He should miss that just because. I'm back out, dude. T-Weed. We can't even
Hey.
made
Bro,
it.
you little as hell.
That's way room.
Damn, I seen that shit
Good boy,
too.
Jay.
Nigga ass. Good shot. That's gold.
Oh, I tried. It out, that ain't it, man.
I'm analyzing the game here. Yeah. He been playing this game for years. I'm already knowing.
Trying to do. Switch that, Jay. Let me get guard.
Oh my god, like what? Is that not a chase down?
Snap.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Stupid ass nigga. Big ass shirt on. He out of the way.
Who do you think he is, though? Oversized for sure. Oh my god, I thought dude was gonna jump for it.
No.
Cookie. You got some Vaseline? No, I'm not cooking. You got some Vaseline in here?
No, man.
Big ass shirt on. He out of the way.
Who do you think he is, though? Oversized for sure. Oh my god, I thought dude was gonna jump for it.
That's you. That's gold right there, dude.
Oh, that motherfucker matter. Look at him.
Oh yeah, come here.
You.
Smacking
You
they
cannot
ass.
miss.
Smacking they motherfucking ass. No cap. Overdose, all type of shit. I'm no cap.
That's a tweaking at that.
This shit was quick. What he got?
Yeah. Bruh, this goddamn big ass goddamn mascot.
Oh my god, they pulled you in.
Oh! Yeah, done dunked on this motherfucking ass. Alright, cool.
Give him nothing, ain't it?
Ain't it? That shit, nigga.
Give him nothing, ain't it? Hey, look, stay out, Duke, stay out, Duke. You gotta finish it. Is he gonna finish it?
Green, come on.
Nigga, no kill. But this, hey, boy. That's a good shot, my boy.
Yeah, nah.
I
Good
got
shot.
that thing like that.
I got you. You game this show.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Come on.
Can they go?
That's green. Hey, green. Hey, boy. Hey, ain't no cap. This shit done changed the whole. This shit done changed the whole thing, bruh. The whole goddamn thing. No cap. Hey, so after playing 2K for the first time, I can honestly say, bruh, the shooting is gonna take some getting used to, bruh. I can't cap. It's gonna take some getting used to. The jump shot, you're gonna need a good jump shot. You're gonna need hot spots. You're gonna need the right settings to fit your shooting style and all type of shit. But hey, if you watch the video whole way through, make sure you like up the video, subscribe. I'm gonna need people to run with it though. I can't cap. So y'all hit me up on IG, Twitter, wherever with y'all PSN, man. You can't be ass though, bro. I'm not playing with no ass niggas. I can't cap. But yeah, man, with that being said, man, it's your boy Duke Dennis. And I'm out, man.
That's the end of the video. Y'all have a good day. And I'm out. You already know what's going on, man.